Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can turn on dark mode on Instagram. So the default mode for Instagram is the light mode. As you can see here, the whole interface is white when we scroll through our news feed and watch photos and videos. Now maybe you don't like this look or your eyes hurt because of this white color and you want to use Instagram in dark mode, so I am going to show you how to do it. Now we don't have a dark mode button inside the Instagram app, so we will use another method. This is a little bit different for iOS and Android. We need to turn on dark mode on our devices and both iOS and Android have that option. So I am using an older version of iPhone, so I need to swipe from the top and open my control center, and if you are using an Android or newer iPhone you need to swipe from the top. Now just long press on the brightness slider until you see two buttons. One of these buttons is a dark mode, so click on it to activate the dark mode throughout the whole interface. And this will automatically turn on dark mode for our Instagram app. If this video was helpful, you can leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.